Shalom and welcome. This is Noun Constructs Part 2. Now we're going to talk about adding the inseparable preposition to a noun construct. Inseparable prepositions are very simple. We just got to remember the fact that there's only a few of them, so it really doesn't matter and stuff with regard to which one you use. You just have to remember how they function. Okay? In Hebrew, we have many inseparable prepositions. We have the lamed. Well, not many, I should say, because I already told you there's only a few. The bet, the mem, and the kof. And these are the inseparable prepositions which have to be attached to a noun or attached to anything that it goes to, okay? So in Hebrew, we have to just remember the fact that how are they utilized, okay? So for example, if we're going to attach, for example, the mem, we remember, actually comes from the word mean. And the only time the word mean is ever going to be degraded down to where it's just the mem that's showing and the nun is dropped off is when we're talking about something that doesn't require the hey article after it. And that would mean noun constructs are not a part of that situation. This is the only type that you're going to find with regard to noun constructs, because noun constructs are always going to require the me in front of it. Whether it's a indefinite or a definite, it doesn't matter. You're only going to find the mem in front of it. So here, when we attach the mem, we put it in the front, such as me'eretz Adam, from the land of Adam. Or we're going to attach it here to the front of this one. Always notice it's in the front of the preposition. The first word in the preposition carries the actual inseparable preposition. So, me'eretz Adam, from the land of the people. The same thing applies here. Me'eretz Ami, from the land of my people. Now here, when we're looking at this one, which I talked about, which was the one that required a context of it, which is, a son of Adam, you could still do the same thing. You can put the mem in front, and now you have me ben, or mi ben, actually this would be, mi ben Adam, from a son of Adam, and therefore you still have the same thing. It's indefinite, and indefinites are used with the mems. And we see the same thing's going to apply over here. So once again, we put in front of here, mi pri etz, from a fruit of a tree. And then lastly, I'll move this out of the way, mi ben Adam, from people. Okay? So we have to just remember that when we're using the noun constructs and we apply any of these, whether it's the kof, the bet, the mem, or the lamed, always remember it places the first thing in front. The front of the noun construct is what's going to receive the actual article that we're going to be utilizing, which is the inseparable preposition. Not article, inseparable preposition. Okay? So the inseparable preposition is going to be attached always to the front, and we're going to just remember the fact that whether it's a lamed, a bet, a mem, or a kof, which is this one, we know all the different formalities of this one. This can be the word for to. This can be in, or it can be among, or it can be by. This is word from. This is like or as. And so when we place it, we always place it in the front of the noun construct, and thus completes our need to understand all the formalities of the inseparable preposition with noun constructs. I'll see you next time.